2015 Chevrolet Equinox, one owner, previous government fleet vehicle. We're very well maintained. Body on this one is in very good condition, no real dents or scratches on it. Roof rack up on top, aluminum wheels, rear backup camera, LT model, all-wheel drive. 73,000 miles, has factory powertrain warranty, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, clean black cloth interior, adjustable seats, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel stereo controls, hands-free Bluetooth, you got touchscreen up there, CD player, heat and air conditioning, automatic transmission, side impact, side curtain airbags, back seats that fold down flat. You can actually take this front seat, this back seat, move it forward and back as well. Nice big rear hatch area. You got latch for child seats in the second row. Now you can see pictures and pricing information on our website, hometownwausau.com. We offer easy no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're open until 6 o'clock all week until 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.